Yes. All right. So I went to Sprouts, got a bunch of green onions, cut the tops off. I run those through the freeze dryer. But as you can see, all my beans have sprouted. So I'm gonna stick these green onions amongst them. I don't even know how many I got. I got about 30, 40. I'm gonna stick up in here. It is perfect day for this. It's overcast, nice little breeze. And I'm just gonna chill and get this done. Now, if you're asking, does this work? Of course it works. I done did it before. I do it for every bed, and that's a wrap. And I'm gonna get it done. So I'm gonna keep pushing and plugging till I get all these in this bed, and then we're gonna keep it moving. All right, so I'm gonna drop these black eyed peas in this little Dollar Tree tower, and I'm gonna load it up. It's gonna be basically filling the blanks, but it ain't doing nothing really, so I might as well put it to use. It's sitting in a prime real estate. It'll work.
Time I've been with you, baby. You wanna act up, talking slick, you talking crazy. You know you mean the world to me. Out of all the places in this world, there's not one.
All right, so still got a few left, and ain't nothing in this bed over here on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug and play, baby. Plug and play. We're gonna get these in here, and that's gonna be the end of that. And my morning is done. That's it, y'all. That's it. Your boy ain't got nothing else for you today. Nope, that is it. So it's your boy Pepper Rookie. If you're new here, go and hit that like button. If you're old here, hit that like button. If you're new here, I might already be a member of yours. So go and join mine and come on in the community. I'll be dropping little notes in there. So today is just beautiful. I'm gonna sit out here, enjoy it, and just turn on my music. Y'all know how I do. Turn on my music and chill. It's your boy Pepper Rookie. Let's grow.